Now consider the possibility of earning money online by simply watching YouTube videos. So you simply click to watch a video and it begins playing the actual YouTube video, which you will then watch for 150 seconds. Each video will earn you points which you can then exchange for actual money via PayPal or another payment method. Now I'm pretty sure you all probably watch YouTube videos every single day anyway, so why not get paid for doing that? Get paid by doing something you already do every day. It's free and works in every country and it's available all over the world. Yes, it makes no real difference where you come from, and even better, you can sign up for free and start earning money right away. Welcome to Dr. Profit, where we prescribe you with ways of earning money online. If you like this type of content, consider giving us a like, commenting down below, and subscribing to the channel. We regularly release new ways of making a profit, so it's a good idea to ring that bell icon to be notified each time we upload a new video. Alright, let's get back into the video. Alright, so let's get started. This will be the main blast from the website, and it will allow us to watch YouTube videos and earn points that we can then swap for real money, but don't get too excited yet since this won't be the only platform that we'll be using. Now, there will be one thing you must do in order to convert those points into actual money, so stay with me and I'll show you everything you need to know about making money by watching YouTube videos. Okay, so I'd like you to go to the website called addmefast.com. This site is just a social media engagement exchange marketplace where you can trade YouTube views, YouTube likes, Facebook followers, and other such stuff, and you'll see how it can earn you money by simply viewing the YouTube videos. As you can see, this is a network that will help you in growing your presence in social media, and don't worry, you don't need a branded YouTube channel or a large number of followers to use it. You can start a new YouTube channel without a profile photo, 0 views, 0 subscriptions, and you'll still be able to generate money just by watching YouTube videos. You also don't have to publish any YouTube videos to your YouTube channel or anything like that. Okay, we'll head to the site's homepage and click on Try It for Free Now. This will take you to a page where you'll need to input your email address, create a password, click on I'm not a robot, and then click on Sign Up. A confirmation email will be sent to you, and when you open your email, it will most likely be in your spam folder, so make sure to check there as well, and after that, you'll be able to log into your account after clicking here to confirm. So this is the dashboard's interior. Now the way it works is that regular folks like you and I can go to the internet and sign up here. We can leave Facebook likes, for example, and Twitter followers, which we can follow on Twitter, TikTok, and other social media platforms. Add our social media accounts by clicking add, and if we publish Facebook photos, others will like it in return. So it's a like for a like, a follow for a follow, a sub for a sub, and stuff like that. However, we're not here to collect Facebook likes, Facebook followers, and YouTube subscribers for any reason. We're here to watch YouTube videos and earn from them. You can do everything here, including following other people on Instagram and getting paid for it, but we're only interested in watching YouTube videos, so we'll just click on YouTube views, and that will take us to this page. As you can see, you can earn 40 points by watching this video for 150 seconds. All you have to do now is click view video and watch the video for 150 seconds, and there's a counter here that says it has to play for 150 seconds, so we will need to wait that long. After that, your points will be updated as soon as it is finished playing. Also, we can try it again after the points has been updated. All of the points you get from watching YouTube videos can be exchanged for engagement on other social media sites, and you'll see how that makes money for us. And by the way, on the right hand side, you have a really good referral program. You can see if this is your referral link, and if it is, you can copy it and inform people that they can sign up for the site as well. You can also leave your referral link, and if they sign up using your link, you'll receive up to 300 points. You can also have a daily bonus if you click on it on the left hand side. If you click on it, you can gain 500 or more bonus points every single day just by being active on this platform, but that will probably not be available to you on the first day of joining up. So if this is your first day of signing up for this website, you might not be able to get the daily bonus of 400 points today, but when you come back tomorrow, they'll be able to give you 400 points for free. Now, in order to maximize your results, return to YouTube views and watch as many YouTube videos as you can to enhance your results. Simply click on the view video button, watch the video, and collect the points, and I'll show you how to convert them to real money. But before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you're loving the video so far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment down below because we love to hear what you have to say. Okay, so getting back, once you've collected enough points, you can convert them to Facebook likes. You'll just go through playerup.com, which you'll have to deal with. This is a marketplace where you can buy, sell, and exchange social media accounts and engagement. You must scroll all the way down to a category labeled All Other Games or Market Locations and select it. You locate Facebook by clicking on the letter F, which you'll find, and as soon as you click on it, you can purchase and sell Facebook followers, friends, likes, subscriptions, views, and shares, etc. However, we're gonna be focusing on Facebook likes, Facebook followers, and Facebook shares. So if I go to Facebook likes right now, I'll see that people are selling 100 Facebook likes for $4, and if you do some searching, you'll see that other websites are selling Facebook likes for much more, simply by watching those videos on AdMeFast. You can earn points that can be converted into Facebook likes, which you can then sell for a large sum of money. If 100 Facebook likes cost like $4, for example, you can sell 1,000 Facebook likes for more than $40. You simply go to playerup.com and follow the instructions, sign up, and post your listing, and someone will pay you via PayPal for 1,000 Facebook likes, for example, and in exchange, they'll give you their Facebook page or post address. Just go to the link of their Facebook page or their Facebook post if they want likes on their Facebook post, and they will pay $4 for 1,000 likes. All you need to do is go to that URL and then go back to admefast.com. Click on Add and then select the type and put Facebook likes. For the title, you can put whatever you want, and then for the page URL, you simply paste the real post or page URL into this box. Choose how many points you want to give here, and then click Save Changes. I just made $40 by viewing those YouTube videos, and you can do it every day. You can see all of those YouTube videos here, and under the YouTube views category, simply go out and view those videos, and by doing so, you earn points that you can then sell on playerup.com and profit handsomely. So, to summarize, visit admefast.com, sign up, and on the left-hand side, click on YouTube Views. From there, you can click on View a Video to watch a video for 150 seconds and get points. Once you've earned enough points, go to playerup.com, come over to the Facebook likes area, and list your Facebook likes for sale. Players Apple will pay you for your Facebook likes and provide you with their website. Come over to the Facebook likes category and post your listings by selling Facebook likes, and other individuals will pay you for those Facebook likes and will provide you with their URL. Simply click that link and then return to admefast.com to select, add, and specify how many points you'd like to give for those likes, and then simply click Save Changes, and it will run on autopilot, resulting in their Facebook likes, making you money and making everyone happy. All you have to do now is repeat the process by going back to YouTube views and watching as many reviews as you can in order to earn as much money as possible with adbase.com, and that's it. That's it for today. Thank you for watching Dr. Profit, the channel where we prescribe you with ways of earning money online in order to make a profit. Try the method we showed you today and tell us about what types of content you'd like us to cover next in the comment section down below. And with that said, we'll see you guys next time.